Hey guys, welcome back to Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge 52 Weeks of Tags, and this is Spanky, and we are on week 19. Hello! So, there's been an issue with this week's tag. I have tried for days. It's Saturday. Aside from the computer taking a crap, I have tried for days to get the image transfer to work for my tag, and it's not happening. So, I have decided to scratch that out, and I gotta turn some lights on. Whew, that's bright. So, because of that, this is what we're gonna do. So, as always, the tags are 7 inches by 3.5. This week's prompts was Cinco de Mayo themed. Fiesta is our word. And we were doing image transfer, but I have an inkjet printer and nothing's working. So I crossed that out, and we are now, you choose your own material or texture. So when you upload your picture, please be sure to include which material or texture you used. And the colors are red, white, and green. So I will put that up here. And I have images that I was going to use, but it wasn't working that way. So I had printed out some images, and I fussy cut this one out. This one not so much, because it just was not fussy cutting. That's a little too much for me. So I thought she was really cute, but I really liked this. So I think I'm just going to use him. And then, did I print any others out? No, I did print this out. It says Fiesta Fiesta on it. I thought that was really cool, but I think I'm just going to use fussy cut a couple of these out and then put Fiesta. I'll probably cut the letters out and put it on there, which would work a lot better than what I've been dealing with, because I'm about to go crazy on this, I tell you what. So we're just going to slightly fussy cut this little sombrero hat in a second. I get my glasses on so I can see. I slide my chair up maybe. There we go. I don't like fussy cutting. I dislike it. I have smaller pointed scissors, but they're tiny. And I don't feel like I'm holding anything when I'm using them, so it's different. Okay. Oop. Now a sombrero hat. I could zoom in a little bit. Let's see here, did it pop up? No. There we go. Zoom in just a little bit. Okay. So we're going to cut this little banner out. I was hoping there was going to be enough triangles on it I could put the word Fiesta on that, but there's just not that many. So we'll try and cut this pepper out to go with it. And I'll add a string. Oh, hello. Alright, I can't do them scissors. Just too little. I'm just going to cut these out and add my own string. So I got red, white, and green as our colors. And I'm sorry if you guys have been having issues with this one. I blame Kiki. Again, whenever I have issues with my tags, I blame Kiki. When it's something I'm like, I just blame Kiki. But no, I know how to do image transfers, but it won't work with my inkjet, and it's confusing. And it's just nothing but mess, and nothing is working, and it's just, I'm stressing over it. So we're going to take away that stress and just get rid of that image transfer. Because I know some people don't have laser printers. It works perfect with laser printers. You can use Mod Podge and stuff and do an image transfer like that, but yeah, just not with inkjet as easy. And I'm not going to go buy some special image transfer stuff just for this, so not happening. Alright, so we got that cut out. And my word, oh, there's another pepper there I can cut out. I'm not being precise on the words, or the letters here. I'm fussy cutting because, yeah. And I have magazines I could have used with a jelly plate, but like, I don't have nothing with Cinco de Mayo in it, so kind of not able to do that. I'm just gonna fussy cut these out a little bit as best as I can. I'm not gonna be 100% accurate, but while I cut the rest of these out, I will speed up the video. So you don't have to sit there and watch me cut them. Okay. I think we're gonna stick this on the donkey. I'm gonna kind of put its ears through it though. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. I can always put it on his butt. Okay. Now, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm going to do is use my embossing folder here. I'm going to run this through. Which way do I want to go? I want this way. Okay. Oh, whoops. Forgot the plate. So now I've got some polka dots. Okay. And what I'm going to do is use, if I can find some. I think this is red. Yeah. And I got green. Yep. I'm gonna put some yellow in there. And some orange. And I don't know if I have blue. Let's see, I like that green better. Ouch. Oh, I do have a blue, and I have purple and pink. I think I like this blue better. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Some of these, of course, I ain't never used some of them, so. Just gonna. Oh, that looks pink. That don't look red. Alright. That's okay. No, there's a red one somewhere. Okay, I think this is. This might be red. Yeah. Okay, that's better. I got some red. Throw some orange here. Yellow. They're nice inks. Some green. Blue. I don't remember where I got these. AC Moore or Michaels or something down when I was in Pennsylvania. I never used them. There's some blue there. They're very pigmented. I do use I have a copper one I use, and I use that for my paper beads. And some pink. And a purple. So my technique material is using the embossing folder. Pick that up. Okay. And I'm going to use my heat gun and heat set that because it's pigmented ink, so you have to heat set it with a heat gun. Okay. With that, let me use a tissue here. Make sure there ain't no bleeding colors. Go. There. All right, I like that. So there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my llama down here. I think he's super cute. Just adding some Aleene's tacky glue onto him. Maybe. Okay. I think he's super cute. Okay. Put him in here. And don't know how I'm gonna do this part yet. It's gonna have to, my words are a little big, but okay. I gotta look how to spell it. I could use stickers or something to spell the word, but what fun is that? There we go. I like it. And now we're going to stick the banner up here. Ouch, I have to get a piece of string first. We're going to use my gold string here. There we go. And I'm going to glue these to it. Oh, I did the colors backwards. Of course you did. Where'd it go, Spiky? Okay. I want that to go like that. And whoops. I'm gonna put the chili peppers down here. This pinata's adorable. I think I'm gonna put this on his butt. Like this. Boop. Like that. There we go. That's super cute. I like it. That's cute. And I need some scotch tape here so I can tape this around on the back. Maybe. Okay. We shall try. Okay. Nope, it doesn't hang far enough. Come on. Ouch. So I have to loosen that other one too. Darn it. See if I can do it like this way. There we go. I think it's because this gold wire, or well, not wire, it's thread, is a little thick. It doesn't want to bend, so it doesn't want to go around that corner. Very good, but I like it. There. That'll work. Super cute. Alright. So, I think that one's done. There we go. Fiesta. And my texture and technique is, or texture material I should say, is the embossing folder. And then I use my ink pads there to do the background. I think it's super cute. I like how it turned out. And this is flat. I didn't want to glue this down because I wanted it to kind of like just be loosely there. I think it turned out really cute. So there we go. Choose your own. No image transfer. So I will get this video edited and get it up. With my other one, I finally finished the last week 16 Joy. I finally finished that one, so I'm getting there. But all right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.